Billionaire kidnapper Evans is set to be released. Judges assemble for his bargain. E no go happen. I take God beg Nigerians. Make dem no allow dis guy be released. I know say nobody be sent o. Nobody be sent. If una ask me, nobody be sent true. But looking at the weight of dis guy's crime, una go understand say e better. Yes, make dem no kill am o, but make dem leave am for life imprisonment. What is the probability that if dis guy is released, he will not go back to his sins? Una know the weight of dis guy offence now. Una know wetin dis guy commit now. People wey dis guy kill. So make dem bargain, but make dem no release am. Na wetin me I fit talk be that. Make we quickly make we enter the con ten t. Make we know wetin dem dey try talk about. Na hear me so. This one na today's news. Convicted billionaire kidnapper Chukwudumeme Onwumadike, popularly known as Evans, and his co-defendant Joseph Emeka, who were sentenced to life in prison for murder and kidnap, have been rearranged. The duo have now opted for a plea bargain in the fresh charges against them. The lead counsel in their case, Yusuf Sule, informed the court of the plea bargain option on Thursday when the case was called for rearrangement. The matter was mentioned for rearrangement before Justice Adenike Kuka of an Ikeja High Court. Evans and his co-defendant were to be rearranged on an amended 5-count charge bordering on murder, attempt to murder, and conspiracy to commit felony, to wit kidnapping and attempt to murder. Sule informed the court that the case was for rearrangement, but he was aware the defendant had applied for a plea. The prosecutor, however, said the plea bargain terms were being considered by the Attorney General of Lagos State, Mr. Lawal Pedro. Make dem no free dis guy. I don talk the one wey I fit talk, because dis guy case e pass criminal case. If there is any other name they can give to a criminal wey worse pass criminal, na him be dis guy. You know how many people don die for dis guy? See the last operation wey he do wey make dem catch am. That is to let you know how heartless and evil such a person can be. And so he doesn't deserve any single mercy or plea. Even the lawyer that is defending him, that even accepted to defend him, is a criminal. He's a criminal. Why will you accept to defend such a criminal? Why will you accept to be a lawyer of a criminal, a kidnapper, a murderer, a convict? Nigerians, this is how I feel. And I'm waiting if it talk. I know if it talk past what I just talk right now. Make them no show am any single mercy. Single mercy make them no show am. Because he don't overdo. You know how many people this guy don't kill? You know how many? I beg, make we help ourselves. Make we tell ourselves the truth where the truth lie. Because not until we tell them the truth, these people no go change. They no go change. Neither way be that. Anyways, make we hear from una, make we know wetin una get to talk about on this same issue, because I know everything is appearing to be realistic right now. Yes, I salute everybody listening to us through this very channel. Thank you for giving us your listening ear. So please, if you know you are new, don't forget to leave your comments below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.